Well, it's almost that time of year again. The seasons are changing and our deciduous trees are starting to colour up. Very soon they'll be dropping their leaves. And at the same time, many of our native trees have dropped a lot of leaves over the summer months through the stress of the drought. And this has meant a huge amount of leaf litter build up, and that usually means a lot of hard raking work. But the good news is, thanks to German engineering excellence, it doesn't have to be that way anymore. And I reckon blowers are the ultimate garden tool. There are plenty of options to choose from in the STIHL range, so we've broken down the different types to help you choose the perfect tool for you. STIHL's range of battery-powered garden tools is ever evolving. This is one of the range of blowers. It's the BGA 45. Super light, comes in at just 2.1 kgs. It only costs $199. But this is incredibly powerful. In fact, it's got an integrated battery system built into it. That's really good. It will do up to 200 square metres, which is equivalent to a tennis court, I suppose, in an area which is more than enough for the average small to medium-sized garden. Best of all, because it's so light, you won't be fatigued at the end of the job. If you're after something a little more robust to cover a larger area, my street is, for instance, a couple of kilometres long and the paths are covered with leaves and gum nuts, then the BGA 56 is one of the most popular tools in the STIHL battery range for a very good reason. Now, the best thing about this particular range is that this blower fits with the AK battery system. There's 9 different STIHL tools that you could use in the garden, including hedge trimmers, grass trimmers, there's chainsaws and even lawnmowers. And the best thing about it is that you can choose the battery. There's 3 different options that best suit your garden's requirements. Working comfort is at the forefront of design features with the BGA 56. This perfectly balanced blower features an adjustable tube for maximum blowing power close to the ground, making it incredibly easy to manoeuvre for users of all heights. The low gyroscopic forces make it effortless to handle, and the rubberized grip will allow you to move with impressive ease. When it comes to runtime, the BGA 56 is more than capable of clearing up to 900 square metres of leaves with the AK 30 battery. Now, the most wonderful thing about these blowers is that earmuffs or ear defenders are just not required. It means that you can get the job done any time of the day and you're not going to go upsetting the neighbours. Absolutely brilliant. All STIHL tools, like these blowers, are the result of over 90 years of German engineering excellence, so you know they'll last. Backed with dealer servicing and care, you can't go wrong.